Hello students, in this video we'll see how to solve problem 3.4.105. Problem 3.4.105 asks us to solve the differential equation y prime plus e to the t y equals negative 2 e to the t. We notice that this problem has the form y prime plus p of x y equals q of x, where instead of p of x we have a function of t. So it doesn't matter if we have p of x or p of t and q of t, we just have to identify what the independent variable of the problem is. So for problems of these forms, we multiply, if there are x's as the independent variable, by e to the integral of p of x dx. And down over here we multiply by the same thing, which is t's, e to the integral of p of t dt. So again, all you need to do is identify the independent variable, identify the form, and then use the integrating factor. So for our problem, our integrating factor is going to be e to the integral. My p of t is e to the t dt. An antiderivative of e to the t is just going to be e to the t. So my integrating factor is e to the t. So we're going to multiply this to both sides of the equation. When we do so, we will have y prime e to the t plus e to the t times e to the t y is equal to negative 2 e to the t times e to the t. The integrating factor method will always generate a perfect derivative on the left-hand side of the equation. The left-hand side is the derivative with respect to the independent variable, which here is t, of the integrating factor, e to the t, times the dependent variable y, is equal to negative 2 e to the t, e to the t. And now we integrate both sides with respect to t. The left-hand side is e to the t times y. And the right-hand side, if we make a u substitution, if we let u be e to the t, then du will be e to the t dt. And this integral over here will turn into the integral of negative 2. Then I will have an e to the u, and then I will have a du. So this will be negative 2 e to the u plus c. But we know that u is e to the t, so an antiderivative of this is negative 2 e to the t plus c. And so we have that e to the t times y is equal to negative 2 e to the t plus c. And I can divide by e to the t and conclude that my solution is y is equal to negative 2 plus c e to the negative e to the t. And that's the solution to our problem. Thank you very much.